Walky, the weather is so nice today. Don't you think it's perfect for a short trip?
I was thinking the same thing, but where should we go?
How about camping? I heard there's a newly opened campsite in the suburbs and it's super popular.
Camping sounds great, but we need a lot of preparation for camping. Look at this, we need canopy, chair, table, cooking gears, food. Do we have enough time to get all that things ready?
Don't worry, they offer one-stop service and we don't have to bring anything.
Really? Amazing! It's so convenient. I like it.
Of course it is, so let's go.
Let's go. Here we are. This is the place. Oh my! I can't wait. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
老板你好，是我朋友带他来体验的。
到这边来了。
好，谢谢。走吧。Cheers to our peaceful life. I can smell it. So you wrap it like this. And ready? Go. Is it spicy? No, not at all.
It's not spicy. Okay, I
Not
believe
spicy.
you. No, it's not,
Not
spicy,
spicy.
and it tastes very good. But a dream.
露营的话，应该是从21年开始进入大众的一个视野，到24年，相当于是一个爆发期。到了现在，我们称它为2.0时代，户外美学。等后面的话，可能会更多的偏向于牧场，更加自由、更加开放的一些玩法。工作之余，可以放松身心的一个乌托邦，可以更多的可能化在于一个圈子。
So up till now, what do you think of this camping lifestyle?
You know, I used to think that camping is tiring and needs a lot of preparation. You know, carrying the gear, setting up the canopy, starting the fire and cooking. But this last minute trip really changed my mind. Escaping the city life, getting close to the nature could do this, easy and so relaxing. I like it.
I like it too.